Alrighty, you people. So this is geometry. This is actually lesson 9. You guys notice? We skipped 8, didn't we? Oh my goodness. Huh? It was optional. I looked at it. I'm like, nah. Okay, so I would rather actually go over this and actually have some review because you're taking a test this week.
Thursday.
You want Thursday?
No, Friday.
Thursday.
Why Friday?
Wait, no, actually Thursday.
Maybe Wednesday.
I'm not gonna be here.
Wednesday?
No, I'm not gonna be here Wednesday.
Okay, anyway, let's deal. We're going to do some practice, we're going to do some review, and we're going to talk about some stuff. So, as we're going over this, we have a whole bunch of stuff to actually do. So, now, I paired up everyone. Everyone's partnered up right now, so we could actually do this. It says, notice and wonder. Okay, pretty patterns. Now, I'm going to give you guys a minute. So now, look at the 9.1 and look at all those right there with the partner. 1 minute. You guys talk about what you notice and wonder. Go.
So smart. Is that what why is this like a 3 like that?
Why does it have to be black? Why does it have to be black? Why is it not even three triangles? Why is it only black and white?
Hexagons or
Oh yeah, for like 5.
yeah.
It's like, bro, I don't even know. I play checkers. I'm playing Uno 1, 2, 3. Like, it's the only thing I know about chess. That little thing 2 and 1.
All right. Okay, so let's take a look. What do we have? What do we notice here? Go ahead.
Circles and triangles.
There's circles, triangles. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Some are shaded and some are not.
Shaded. And some are not. Okay. Now, with the shading, what does it give us? Does it give us pretty patterns? Yeah. Any other shapes you see? Go ahead.
Why is the second one 3D and like not 3D?
3D and not 3D?
It like looks 3D.
But maybe it's not 3D. Anyone else? What do we got? Okay, I want to hear someone back there in the corner.
I didn't know. Probably. They're different colors.
There's a reason why I'm calling on you.
It's because you're not paying attention.
As I was walking around, you were almost there. No, not anymore. Stop. Someone help him out. What other shape do you see there?
Triangles.
We got circles, triangles,
Hexagon.
hexagon. Hexagon. There's hexagons there, right? Hexagon, right angles, right? So, now, wonder. Okay, what do we wonder?
Why they're shaded in?
Why they're shaded? Because they're pretty.
Why is
The
there
patterns.
You're a joke.
Now, have we actually done all those shapes?
No.
No. Well, we have. Because, like, if you think about it, we've done a triangle, we've done rectangles, we've done, like, the lines, and then we've done circles, and...
Yeah. We have. We've actually done all this already.
We have. Yes, we have. I knew that.
In one way or another, we've actually done all these.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So, let's take a look at 9.2 here. Pick a pattern.
Second one.
Third one.
I don't have that paper.
Because you and your partners actually have one.
Oh,
5. Let's go with 5.
27.
But
Okay.
I like 5. Let's
It
go
goes
with
all the way to 48.
No, 29. 29. I like number 1.
Okay.
20.
Now, with you and your partners. Okay, listen up. Class.
Yes.
Now I got your attention. Okay. You and your partners are going to go through this and you're going to talk your way through this here. Okay, it says your teacher will give you a collection of patterns that all began from constructions of a regular hexagon. They all started with a regular hexagon. Your straight edge and compass moves will create one of the patterns yourself and write down instructions how to construct it. Now, if you remember a couple days ago, I gave you step-by-step instructions on how to create that hexagon. If you need to find that, you would find that in your notes and you're going to have to flip back to find it, right? Yes. Okay, so with you and your partner together, you guys are going to pick one. Okay, you're going to start doing the moves. Now, as you do this, all of your lines don't have to be fully colored in. Because if I said that a hexagon made this one right here, okay, if a hexagon made this one right here, to start doing a hexagon, the first thing I had to do was what? Make a what? A circle. We had to make a circle. Do you see a circle here on this first one? No. Okay, that's why you got your colors. You guys are going to color in when you finally get to the shape that you needed, okay, for the pattern that you're looking for. You guys are going to color these. All right? So, you guys are going to do that, and it's going to be right here. What page are we in the notebook?
Page 18 and 19.
This one's going to be 19 here. This one's 19, so you guys are going to do this right now. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys time to work on this. I'm going to pause the video. All right, on this one right here, I'm going to start this off. A lot of people are having trouble with this. Start by making a hexagon because it says right here, patterns that began from the construction of a regular hexagon. So if I'm starting with a regular hexagon, I am going to stab and make my circle. If you notice, not all of them have a circle on them. So that means that excuse me over there, not all of them are going to have this circle. Now, here's the second step of the hexagon. Second step of the hexagon. So I'm marking my point in the center right here. The second step of this is mark a point on the edge. I'm going to mark a point right there. So from this point, I'm going to stab there and walk around. Walk around. So I'm going here. Keep going. Make sure you're not changing the size. There we go. So, if you notice, it's kind of light. It's kind of light here. So, I'm going to darken this in. I have a point here, 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 and here. Now, that's starting this out. That's going to help you with all of this. So no matter which one you're doing, this is how I'm starting. Does that make sense? So everyone should be at this point going from here. Okay, doing the regular hexagon, you guys got to follow through. Okay, I'm going to pause it again. Alrighty, people, so I'm going to go through one of these. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Okay, and I'm going to start doing some circles off of this. So I have some circles here. And you guys are going to tell me where this is going to end up at.
Can you do number?
Okay.
Oh, you do the windmill thing.
Now, I have one of them. Where'd it go? No, I picked it out earlier. I just can't remember which number it was.
It better be a really, really difficult one.
You're a really, really difficult one.
I think it might be. Hold up.
I think it better
Okay,
be number 9.
so I have circles around there. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I have everything already there, so I'm going to go for one of these. So let's take a look at what I have here. I'm going to start coloring in so you guys can see what I have here. You'll see. Alright, so I'm going to follow this. Yeah, you guys have all of my colored pencils, so.
You want that? We don't need them no more. No red?
Red. Oh, thank you.
But yours.
Alright. Okay, orange, red, it'll work.
Oh no, I'm colorblind, so I can't help. Those are mine.
Okay. Now, I got that. So, I'm starting there.
Oh, is he doing 9? No, you're not. Oh, he's doing 40, I think. Are you doing 40?
Wait, what is he doing?
I think he's doing 40.
No, yeah, he is.
I'm smart.
Does that bother you? Does that bother you?
You did it.
Alright. So, what number did I do?
40.
And now, I started with, let's take a look here, please. I started with 40 and I outlined it. I outlined it, and so now, give me a darker color, please. Ah.
Oh, I know where you're gonna go with this.
I think I gave him purple.
You gave him purple?
I gave 41.
That's 21.
I think that's blue. I don't know. It looks purple. Bro. I don't know. Should be at me.
That's nice.
Wait.
You think your magic
Wait, look. They correlate each other.
All right, so, hey, listen up. All right, you guys, so now, this, I finished this up. This was actually supposed to be 41. You guys are looking at there. I didn't list out all the instructions for this. I want you guys to go through, and we're going to, listen please. Tomorrow we're going to finish this up in class. Okay? So, someone hold on to the sheet. Someone hold on to the sheet. Okay? So, you guys pack up. Don't forget, like and subscribe.